Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to enter test mode on this device. So to enter this mode, you just have to open your phone, application, open keypad on it, and enter the secret code, which is *pound 2886 pound. And that's how you can enter the ALCATEL mobile phones testing menu. Here you can test start this testing automatically and go through all these features you can test in this mode, or you can just go to the manual mode and test them one by one. For example, here we can test let's test, for example, vibration. You can hear it vibrating, I can see it on the camera. Let's test, for example, I don't know, audio. Unfortunately, it's so quiet that you can't hear it on camera, but I can hear it. And it speaks in Chinese, I guess. No idea. Let's test, for example, battery level. Mobile needs discharging. Wow. And all the other features you can see in this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.